Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we find facts and fine-tune figures.
Welcome back, guys. It is no longer news in data space of a new data platform called Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is the data platform of the era of AI as announced by Microsoft. While I've been making content around Microsoft Fabric, this is a structured full course. Come with me as I introduce myself briefly before we continue. In this course series, I'll be doing a general introduction into Microsoft Fabric, history of Microsoft Fabric, and what makes Microsoft Fabric stand out as against other solutions in the marketplace. The Microsoft Fabric workloads, one leak. Then I'll talk about data ingestion, after which I'll walk us through the first project that we are going to be ingesting data from an API data source. Then I'll also take us through Mendelian architecture. Then I'll take us also through data warehousing, data science, data activator, real-time analytics, licensing, and adoption. And then we'll do our second project where we are going to be making use of almost all the workloads in Microsoft Fabric. To follow along in this course, you need to get either of these two, either a Microsoft Fabric free trial account or you are using a Microsoft 365 developer account. Link to guide you on how to create a Microsoft 365 developer account in the course material. What is Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is a unified analytic platform that you can use for your data integration, data engineering, data warehousing, real-time analytics, data science, and also your business intelligence using your Power BI. And all of these workloads are sitting on what we call a data lake. A data lake is one lake that comes with every tenant in Microsoft Fabric. History of Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric was announced in June during Microsoft Build, and it's been said that it's a combination of all existing products, which include your Power BI, your Microsoft Azure Data Factory, and also your Synapse Analytics. What makes Microsoft Fabric stand out? Oftentimes, scalable analytics are often complex and fragmented. Every analytic project has many subsystems, and every subsystem needs a different class of products. Products often come from multiple vendors. Integration at scale across products is complex, fragile, and expensive. So you can see the various services and infrastructure and products that are involved in scalable analytics. So this is the exact problem that Microsoft Fabric is trying to solve so that you don't have to use so many services either from one vendor or different vendor so that all your workload are being done on a singular platform.